Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if temporary files are not deleting on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this problem could be caused by a number of things such as a broken Windows settings, a Windows update that hasn't been installed yet, or even interference from a third-party program. In why is Windows 11s are not allowing to delete temporary file just because another program is currently trying to use the file. This can occur even if you don't see any programs or runnings. That's why Windows puts the file into lock state and you can't delete, modify, or move it to another locations. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung run. And then dito sa run command, dito na sa box icon na mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na temp. Ayan. And then next, i-click mo lang itong OK. And then papapito mga kaibigan ang lahat ng temporary files dito sa temp. And then next step ay pwede mong gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E para i-select lahat ng files. And then next ay click mo lang itong delete, or pwede mong gamitin yung right click. Select mo lang itong delete. And then click mo lang itong continue. Alright. And the next step na pwede natin gawin ay same procedure dito lang sa start menu, right click ka lang, and then click mo lang itong run, and then dito sa run command, and then next ay pwede mong i-type dito yung command keyword na %temp%. So type mo lang dito yung %temp%, and then click mo lang itong OK, and then pop-up to lahat mga temporary files. And then next ay same procedure, press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+A para select lahat, and then next ay kailangan mo lang itong i-delete, and then click mo lang itong continue. So delete natin. And the next step, so last procedure na to, in same procedure, dito lang sa start menu, and then select mo lang dito yung run command. And then dito sa run box, ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na pre-page. Ayan. Okay, so i-type mo lang dito yung pre-page, and then next ay click mo lang itong OK. And then papapit ito mga kaibigan ang lahat ng mga temporary files. And then next, so same procedure, press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E. And then kailangan lang natin itong i-delete. So delete natin. Ayan. And then next, ay dito lang si start menu, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang itong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang temporary files are not deleting issues in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.